Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. So listen, today is Thanksgiving in the United States, but we're in the UK, so we're going to do our Thanksgiving a little bit different. We've been invited to this really cool experience down in London. There's a new exhibit opening up. Tonight is going to open up the pre-launch. We got an invite. We're going to go check that out. So we're going to head down to London. We're going to eat dinner in London. Instead of a traditional Thanksgiving dinner, which is going to be the turkey and all that stuff, we're going to do entirely different. Change it up. Why not experience everything we can while we can? So come along with us. Let's head down to London. Check out this new experience, guys. I think you're going to enjoy it. Let's go.
We will definitely circle back around to a more traditional American Thanksgiving in the future. The twins don't know anything about it. Matthew, even at 6 years old, really doesn't remember what it's like to have a big American Thanksgiving. We've been overseas for 3 years, so our children really just have only experienced Thanksgiving as we've done. I know what it's like, so we'll circle back around to that in the future, but this year we're going to press forward and do things a little bit differently. The kids don't have any high expectations for a traditional American Thanksgiving, so this is totally fine with them.
I like the non-traditional Thanksgivings because each experience is different and we get to do something different, experience something together.
So we've done this a lot, like non-traditional, not doing the turkey and, you know, just changing up the meals, changing up the location. But this is probably going to be the most unique Thanksgiving.
Probably so.
So we're going to Bubble Planet today, which is a new event-filled kind of VR. It's really new. You guys, you have to see it. But we decided not to eat anything heavy because there's going to be a lot of activity, moving around. It's an interactive experience. So we're not eating very heavy food, just normal American fare type stuff. We have Byron, who's one of our favorite places to eat at here in the UK. So we're here getting some burgers, get some chicken strips, something really light that we can just go in, not be weighed down, because Thanksgiving food is so heavy. You don't want to do anything after you eat that. So we decided to forego all the Thanksgiving food and just eat some nice Byron's. I think this will be pretty cool. Over the years, the meaning of Thanksgiving in America has shifted and changed. No longer is it so much focused on Christopher Columbus and what happened in that period, but it's more focused now, I believe, on family and friends and participating and sharing meals and experiences and time with friends and family. So really, as long as we're together as a family, we're good.
Let's see if we can all fit in the Peppa Pig car.
Okay. So we're looking for another baby carrier. We have one baby carrier, but considering that the activity we're going to tonight is a little bit active, I think we want both babies in a carrier. We just picked up a carrier. This is going to be for me. I just got this one, which is a Ergo baby, and we will see how well this works. So this is it, guys. We got an VIP invite to Bubble Planet Experience the day before it opens. It goes live tomorrow. This is a soft, warm open tonight. I think this is really cool. We got this invite. So let's go. Let's check this out. This should be a lot of fun. Should be really exciting. Let's go and see what it's all about, guys, because I don't know what we have waiting on us. But let's check it out. Bubble Planet Experience is a sensory experience that seeks to draw you into a whimsical, dreamy world of bubbles, lights, color, and sound. As an adult, I found the experience engaging. I love the coloration, and they really paid a lot of attention to detail in this overall thing. But listen, this experience was all for the kids. The kids had a blast.
This is such a unique experience for the kids.
The
colors are very pink and purple, but in real life, it's not that color at all. It's a lot of ultraviolet light. That's what my camera picked up. Oh, we lost Trey again. Is it hard to walk?
So as far as family-friendly events goes, there's a little bit of science in here. There's definitely a lot of fun. There was a chamber that had all the echoes in it. The kids are having a ball, and like the bubble pits. There's the balloon pit, and now they're in a bubble pit. Has some rules in it, so the kids don't get hurt. We're sitting here, we're watching them, and they're having a blast. So, yeah, I would say it's a great place to bring some young people to, and even adults. If I wasn't wearing a little one here, I'd be in there with the kids right now. Cool place. I like it. Blakely?
I like it too. It's very interesting.
Yeah. Especially this bubble pit. Follow the path. What are you seeing, Blakely?
Stuff.
Stuff?
It's cool.
That's cool.
The VR experience was probably the most exciting for me because I haven't done VR in a while, but it was engaging. They created their own world, and you could spin all the way around in these chairs that floated, so you kind of got the feeling as though you were drifting along with the overall experience. I like that a lot.
So the coolest thing is we just did the VR section, and all of us have tapped out. Me, Blakely, Trey, Braden. But Blair and Matthew, they're still going. Did you finish your 10 minutes?
Yeah, I finished. Me too. I finished.
Oh, you finished yours too? Okay, so the only one to tap out is me and Braden. Me and Braden tapped out. We couldn't take it anymore.
No, I just stopped.
Braden just stopped.
That's
but
tapping out.
Blair's still going, and so is Matthew. It's pretty cool. Guys, I'll tell you the truth, I've been having a hard time getting my kids to take baths. This is gonna help. I don't know why kids don't want to take baths. I don't know. If you know, drop that in the comments. Help me out here. Parenting, right? But I'm gonna buy some rubber duckies. They have a lot of nice things here in the little gift shop. I'm gonna pick up some rubber duckies, and hopefully the bubble experience here will help the kids bathe. Let's get some rubber duckies.
I see. This one.
How much are they? Let's see here. 2 pounds. So we're gonna get some rubber ducks. We're gonna get some little ones. We're gonna get a big one.
And 2.
Oh, a mama and some babies. What about daddy rubber ducky? It's like Mackenzie is a nighthawk. She is still awake.
Nighthawk.
And Malachi.
Ooh, he is asleep. Look at my eyes. You can barely see him, but she is still awake.
Yeah, she's
All right, look guys, let's head on.